Hello, and welcome to your final exam review. First things first, the final exam has been posted on Blackboard. It will open Monday morning at 8 a.m. It opens Monday morning, April 27th at 8 a.m. It will close Thursday, April 30th at midnight. I'm going to say that again. It closes Thursday, not Friday. Thursday, April 30th at midnight. It closes Thursday at midnight. It doesn't close Friday at midnight. It closes Thursday at midnight. The exam opens on Monday morning, April 27th at 8 o'clock, and closes Thursday at midnight. Now, here's what's going to happen. Friday morning, someone's going to call me and say, I didn't know we had to take it by Thursday. I thought we had until Friday. No one told me. The exam closes Thursday at midnight. If you don't take it by Thursday, you get a 0. Don't wait to Thursday to take it, because if something happens, you get kicked off or something like that, I can probably get back in there and get you access. But if you wait till after Thursday, or wait till after it closes, I probably can't. Thursday at midnight. Okay, so go over to course materials. It's right here, final exam spring 2020. When you click on it, immediately the instructions will open. You have 1 hour to take it, just like you did the last one. And you hit begin right here. And once you hit begin, then your 60 minutes will start. So you hit begin, your 60 minutes will start. When you're done, hit save and submit. If you go past the time, you shouldn't take an hour to take it, but if it goes past the time, it'll save and submit by itself. Okay. If you get kicked off, you can't get back in. There's no backtracking. You can't skip around on questions, and I randomize the questions, so you can't take it with your buddy. By the time you figure out what questions are coming up where, your 60 minutes will be gone. So random questions, no backtracking, no skipping and coming back, and it closes Thursday at midnight. I'll be right back to talk to you about what concepts to study. Okay, here are some of the concepts that you need to study. You need to understand all of the ways to enter a foreign market. Foreign direct investment, joint venture, strategic alliance, all of them. And which ones carries the most risks, the advantages and disadvantages of all of them. That's absolutely critical. The last 3 chapters, we talked about licensing, we talked about foreign direct investment, we talked about exporting, and we talked about franchising. So make sure you really understand that. Understand the characteristics and the purpose of a global marketing strategy, understand examples of licensing, understand what, generally speaking, is the firm's first entry strategy, understand all of the different global market segments, and understand global market segmentation. Also understand the differences and the advantages of market adoption and standardization. Obviously, market adoption is when you're going to adopt one of the 4 P's of the marketing mix to that particular region or that particular country. Global standardization is when you're going to treat the world as your one big oyster. Understand all the different national economic policies that restrict free trade. Understand what all the different cross-border contractual relationships are. Understand all the different factors for product positioning within a global market. Understand the difference between vertical integration and horizontal integration. Be able to give an example. Understand, again, different different restrictions on imports and what they're called, and which ones are the difference between a tariff, a quota, and on embargo and those types of things. Understand and be able to give examples of licensing agreements. Understand the consequences of protectionism. Understand what indirect exporting and direct exporting is, the difference between indirect exporting and direct exporting. Understand different cross-border contractual relationships. Again, understand the rationale for protectionism on underdeveloped countries. Understand the advantages of exporting and the disadvantages of exporting. Understand how to minimize the complexity of franchising. Understand, again, global standardization versus global customization when it comes to marketing strategies. Understand counter trade and understand counter trade and the barter system. Understand the difference between outsourcing and contract manufacturing. Understand, again, adaption. Understand turnkey contracting and what that means. Understand again, vertical versus horizontal integration. Understand the different ways of infringement of intellectual property. There's piracy, there's copyright infringement, there's all kinds of different things like that. And that's just about it on the multiple choice. The short answer, you need to explain the difference and give an example between the black market and the gray market. And you cannot use bottled water or contact lenses because I talked about those in class. So you need to explain the black market and the gray market and give an example. Very short example, but you need to give examples. There is 35 multiple choice, each worth 2 points. That's 70 points. The short answer is worth 30 points. The test closes Thursday at midnight. Good luck.